Expressing prohibition with modals. To express prohibition using modals, you can use the following. Number 1, can't. This is informal and strong prohibition. Example, you can't park here. Example 2, students can't use their phones in class. Number 2, must not or mustn't. So this is a strong prohibition for rules and laws. Example number 1, you must not smoke in this area. Example number 2, employees must not share confidential data. Number 3, may not. So this is a formal prohibition. Example number 1, you may not enter without permission. Example number 2, guests may not bring outside food. Guests may not bring outside food. Expressing necessity with modals. To express necessity using modals, you can use. Number 1, must. So this is strong necessity or obligation. Example number 1, you must wear a seat belt. Number 2, students must submit their assignments on time. Number 2, have to. Have to expresses general necessity, similar to must. This is the equivalent of must. Example number 1, I have to wake up early for work. Example number 2, you have to show your ID to enter. Number 3, need to. Need to expresses necessity but is softer than must. Example number 1, you need to drink more water. Example number 2, we need to finish this project by Friday. Expressing suggestions with modals. To express suggestions using modals, you can use. Number 1, should. Should expresses strong suggestion or advice. Example number 1, you should eat more vegetables. Example number 2, she should apologize for her mistake. Number 2, ought to. Similar to should, slightly more formal. Example number 1, you ought to see a doctor. Example number 2, he ought to be more careful with his words. Number 3, had better. Had better expresses strong suggestion, often with a warning. Example number 1, you had better leave now or you'll miss the train. Example number 2, she had better study if she wants to pass the tests.